nervous system more breath to regulate, to switch into that parasympathetic nervous system, which allows that shifting gear from beta to alpha. And in alpha, we can connect into theta brainwave. And in theta, we can remember that we are connected, that we are connected to the earth, we are connected to that which is beyond this identity, this body, these emotions, however uncomfortable, and not to be attached to any of it, to loosen our grip of holding on, trying to hold on to something that is looking to dissolve, that is looking to release, that is looking to evolve,